Hello everyone, we welcome you all on our YouTube channel Wains Vlogs. Few days back, we have uploaded videos related to the preparation of theory of German driving license, which was appreciated a lot by our YouTube viewers. Now, we are going to start a video series for the preparation of Einbürgerungstest. First question, why this Einbürgerungstest, also known as Lebens in Deutschland, is so important? If you want to apply for German nationality, or even in some states for Niederlassung or PR, you need Einbürgerungstest for that. The second question, how this video series will be unique and of more interest for you. Maybe many of you are aware of the fact that Einbürgerungstest or Lebens in Deutschland test is in German language, having 300 questions in journal and 10 questions related to specific German states. All questions contains difficult German words and we have to look for the meaning of those words in dictionary. But during this video series, we will explain meaning of every single difficult word for you. The other important thing is that we have arranged all questions in such order that when you are finished with all of our videos, you will have a complete grip and knowledge which is required to pass this Einbürgerungstest or Lebens in Deutschland test. We have divided our videos in 4 major parts. First part will contain events starting before Second World War till today. Second part will be related to German democratic system and will also explain about the election system, that how the governments are selected in Germany. Third part will cover questions which are related to German law and different government institutes and government sectors in Germany. The fourth and last part of our video series will be related to the religious and cultural questions. And in the end, a short summary. Our each video will contain 30 questions. First, we will make videos for 300 journal questions, and then we will upload videos related to German states having 10 questions each. We are very excited to start this video series. I hope you will like our efforts and will give us feedback as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and share with your friends. So, see you in the next video. Bye.